Welcome back everyone. Today I finally have pack numbers 4, 5 and 6 of the 1 to 76 scale USS Constitution from Agora models on the bench. So let's open them up and really see what's inside. I will share what I like, what I don't, and yes, there's a little secret about this kit that many people suspect, and today I'm actually going to verify it on camera. Unlike the first 3 packs, which mainly focus on the hull frames, packs 4, 5, and 6 are where things start to getting really interesting. This is where you can finally begin planking, decking, and adding some of the visible details of the USS Constitution. In pack number 4, you will find photo-etched brass sheets, brass planking nails, laser-cut wooden frame parts, and a selection of wood strips. Now I will be honest, the photo etching quality isn't the best I have seen. That said, because this is a large scale model, these parts will still work just fine once they're on the ship. The laser cut wooden parts, on the other hand, are quite good. They are made from solid white oak, which is a nice surprise. The planking strips include both oak and lime wood. And that's actually a very smart material choice. Oak reflects the real wood used on the actual old Ironsides, while lime wood is extremely builder friendly, making it suitable for beginners and experienced builders alike. In pack number 5, you will find laser-cut mahogany cannon carriages, cast metal cannon parts, and a bunch of other small fittings. Now, take a look at the logo on the fittings container. It looks extremely familiar, and honestly, I think this is the proof that many modelers have already suspected. This kit was very likely originally designed, developed, and manufactured by Ornaments. For some reason, Ornaments seems to be OEM producing this model for Agora. But why? That's the big question. If you have some insight or inside knowledge, please drop it in the comments. I genuinely love to hear your thoughts. Now here's something I don't like. The cast metal cannons. These are not brass. They look like cast gray metal with a very shiny gold colored coating. It's way too glossy and not realistic at all. I'd definitely be painting them black later for accuracy. Personally, I much prefer either CNC turned brass cannons or plain uncoated gray metal. Those are much easier to darken and weather properly. You will also find the same type of acrylic paint used in acrylic kits, just with Agora's label on them. There are more wood strips as well: lime wood, African walnut, and mahogany. Solid material choices overall. And finally, this pack includes 2 giant 1:1 scale ship plans showing the deck layouts and the side views. They are extremely useful, although I will be honest, I had a real struggle trying to fit them into my camera frame. And finally, pack number 6. This one brings even more fittings and more wood materials. Once again, I have to give a big thumbs up to the laser cut solid wood parts. These pieces take a huge amount of time and effort to cut, and the quality really shows. Now, just a quick reminder in case you are not familiar with Agora models. They specialize in large-scale models delivered through a monthly subscription, which I'm building here is their first ever wooden ship model kit, and this is the standard 12-month plan. They also offer an all-in express option and a 24-month plan, depending on how fast you want to build. I will leave a link to their website in the description below if you want to check out the details. And that's going to wrap up today's unboxing and review of packs 4 through 6. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.